Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a form in HubSpot in just a few simple steps. First, click on Marketing in the top menu to open the main navigation. From the drop-down, select Forms to open the Forms Management page. Once the Forms list loads, click the Create Form button in the top right corner. A dialog appears asking how you want to build your form. Click Next to continue. You'll see a selection of pre-built templates. For this example, I'm going to use the newsletter template, so click Use Template on that one. The form editor opens with your template loaded and ready to customize. Click into the form title at the top and replace it with your own name. I'm calling this one Newsletter Sign Up Form. To add another field, click the Add button on the left, then select Email from the field options that appear. An Edit Field panel opens on the right. Click Review and Update at the bottom to confirm the field settings. A workflow modal appears with recommended automation settings. Click Update to apply them and publish your form. Finally, click View Form to see your published form live on its own page. Your form is now published and ready to collect submissions. If you need to edit your form after publishing, just go back to the Forms list under Marketing and click on the form name to reopen the editor. You can add or remove fields, change the styling, or update the follow-up automation at any time, and the changes will save automatically. To share your form, click the share icon in the editor to get an embed code for your website, or copy the direct link to share it standalone. Forms sync with your HubSpot contacts automatically, so every submission creates or updates a contact record in your CRM. And that's how to build a form in HubSpot. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.